Hi, I'm going to show you how to add back button on your Google Pixel 9a. Start by opening settings and here scroll down till you can see System tab. Then I want you to select Navigation mode, and as you can see we have two options: gesture navigation, like in my case right now. So to open recents, we need to swipe up till the middle. To go home, just swipe up and release. To go back, just swipe inwards the screen. So basically with gesture navigation, you get this line. And to go back in this mode, you need to swipe inwards like that. And if you want to add back button, then you need to switch from gesture navigation to free button navigation. And after that, you will see this triangle, which is back button, with which you can go back to the previous action. This button is to go to the home page, and this one to open recents. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.